How do successful businesses control finished goods inventory to avoid tight cash flow issues? Managing cash flow is a major challenge for SMEs, especially when large stocks of finished goods tie up valuable capital. This problem often arises from large batch sizes, rigid continuous production processes, inability to control absenteeism, equipment breakdowns, supply chain disruptions, and fluctuating customer orders. These issues lead to excess inventory that occupies warehouse space and locks away cash that could be better utilized elsewhere. In this video, we recommend a comprehensive approach that applies proven strategies and integrates innovative solutions. This is where the PROFIT framework comes in. PROFIT stands for Production and Resource Optimization Framework for Inventory Turnover. Here, we will offer a streamlined way to address the root causes of inventory buildup and enhance overall cash flow. Wait, are you sure you are exploring the right framework? Instead of guessing, answer a few quick questions at How Frame works to find the one that fits your problem. Once you have the right framework, download our implementation guides and execute it step by step. You can also download pre-designed Excel dashboards to track your progress, all in one place. Join howframeworks.com today and take control of your growth one smart decision at a time.